Hi, I'm Adnan Hussain, an animation artist in Los Angeles, California. I want you to participate in Risalo, a film based on Sindhi Sufi poetry by Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai. This project's purpose is to make quality of life impacts through art and culture for traditional musicians and puppeteers. Professionally, I work for companies like Sony, Disney, and others on films like Smurfs, Hotel Transylvania, shows like Flash, Supergirl, and game cinematics such as Halo, Star Wars, and Lord of the Rings. My passion lies in creating new work with traditional artists and musicians. I have created animated films, comics, paintings, and music albums featuring Pakistani culture, musicians, and artists. Shah Latif, whose poetry tells the story of my current film, Risalo, celebrated the people, geography, and wildlife of Sindh. He used popular folk tales to express his philosophies and is known for the 7 powerful heroines. I chose 4 stories to tell. Sur Yaman Kalyan, separation from the beloved shown through the sun and the moon. Sur Sorat, about class struggle, when a powerful king is challenged by a musician. Sur Karail, about the encroachment of pollution on a swan's habitat, as an allegory of the noble Sufi in times of hypocrisy and corruption. Lastly, I chose Sur Soni, the story of a courageous woman who struggles against injustices to fight for truth and love. This poetry represents the best of Sufis within Islam. It celebrates a love for all people, nature, and the beauty of spirituality. As a representation of Sufi, Muslim, South Asian culture, it will serve to show why people of all faiths connect to Shah Latif. As a film, it will reach young audiences through visual storytelling, while poetry adds depth for older audiences. The artists I am working with are the practitioners of traditions, passed down for generations. They keep our culture alive, but they will disappear, and so too will these riches with them, unless we share new opportunities. In the first phase of this project, I financially supported these artists by recording all the music and creating puppets and backgrounds for Risalo. This would not be possible without the supporters of my Kickstarter campaign. In addition to supporting established artists during each project in Pakistan, I spent time teaching students art and animation skills in cities such as Jamshoro, Hyderabad, Hala, Karachi, Umarkot, Lahore, Multan, Gujarat, and Peshawar. In the past, I have also volunteered and taught in cities across India when I was able to get a visa to go there. I maintain connections with my former students and have even created free YouTube lessons in English and Urdu to share my skills. During the second phase of Risalo, we will film the puppetry portions of the film. By working with a crew that is highly experienced in shooting puppet films, we will showcase the artistry of Rajasthani puppetry to bring Shah Latif's poetry to life. This cultural exchange brings traditional puppetry to filmmakers and modern storytelling techniques and technology to the puppeteers, who will gain more skills to apply to their future projects. It's my opinion that this is the way to make quality of life impacts through art and music. This is how we dignify the people who preserve our culture, by sharing the means to participate in modern media on their own terms. I'm just an artist applying and sharing my skills with the causes and people that I'm passionate about, but I'm only one person. I've tried to give a glimpse into the work that's been achieved while glossing over the monumental nature of the task that has been completed and how challenging it has been. This is your invitation to join me. Risalo is a sponsored project of Fractured Atlas, a non-profit arts service organization. Contributions for the charitable purposes of Risalo must be made to Fractured Atlas only and are tax deductible to the extent permitted by law. Travel, visa, and work expenses of 5 Rajasthani puppeteers from India to fly to Los Angeles to work with a professional film crew to showcase this poetry, culture, and art to the world is the purpose of this project. The budget is small for a production of this scope because I am able to do a lot of the work myself, but for the puppetry, I really need financial support for a 15-day shoot. Be a part of an exciting production and proudly showcase your name in the credits. Be a producing sponsor and represent the film at film festivals alongside me. Bring the completed film to different cities and share it in Sindhi, Urdu, and English around the world. Join us on set to see the unique collaborative process of mixing traditions with modern technology to create new works that support old traditions with new possibilities. Thank you.